And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. 24 hours to go for Trump's tariff. U.S. issues notice for additional 25% tariff on India. U.S. issues 25% tariff public notice for India amid tariff war. Prime Minister Modi's assurance to Bharat. Prime Minister highlights economic selfishness, and Prime Minister also told the entrepreneurs that he is on their side. So just 24 hours to go for Trump's tariff in India, and meanwhile, United States has issued notice for additional 25% tariff on India. So that's the update that is coming in. And amid the tariff war, Prime Minister Modi has also assured Bharat, and he in fact also highlighted the economic selfishness, and he said, and in fact he's told the entrepreneurs in India that the government is on their side. India Today Global's Pranay Upadhyay is now joining us with more details on this. Pranay, just 24 hours to go for Trump's tariff. How prepared is India?
Anjali, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called an important meeting today, and he will be holding this important meeting to embrace and to prepare that, what measures can be taken to help our, small farmers, our small businessmen, especially the MSME sector, the export-oriented business, and the sectors which are going to get impacted by this additional 25% tariff imposed by the United States. So that meeting will be very important, and this is a clear indication that India is preparing to withstand the additional tariffs imposed by the U.S. administration. On the other side, we see that how the United States administration is exercising the duplicity of policy, because whatever has been issued, because a public notification has been issued by the U.S. administration stating that from 27th August onwards, the additional 25% will be imposed on Indian goods to effectuate President Donald Trump's policy to put pressure on the Russian Federation. That is an irony, Anjali, that on one side, U.S. bilateral trade with Russia is going up. Europe is buying more gas than the oil import of India from Russia, but India is being penalized. The largest importer of Russian oil is China, but President Donald Trump says that he enjoys a good relation with China, and he's not going to exercise the leverage or the things he has to pressurize China to do things with China, and because he doesn't want to pressurize China, and China still enjoys the additional 90 days. The initial 90 days has already been passed, and additional 90 days tariff rules has already been announced with China.
Right, Pranay, do stay with us. So just 2 days before Donald Trump tariff kicks in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday remained firm ahead of the 50% US tariffs on Indian goods, saying that his government will find a way out regardless of the economic pressure by Washington. While speaking at a public rally in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that we are all seeing policies based on economic selfishness in the world. He reassured the nation that India will stand firm against such protectionist measures and will prioritize the interests of its citizens. On the other hand, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra stated that tariffs on Indian goods will have minimal impact. He also emphasized that RBI has been very proactive in responding to economic challenges and will continue to support growth.
दुनिया में आर्थिक स्वार्थ वाली राजनीति सबको अपना करने में लगा है। उसे हम भली भांति देख रहे हैं। मेरे छोटे छोटे दुकानदार भाई बहनों से कहूंगा, मेरे किसान भाइयों से कहूंगा, मेरे पशुपालक भाई बहन से कहूंगा, और मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं, मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों ना आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
दुनिया के दादा हमसे कह रहे थे समझौता करो, उनके कृषि उत्पादों के लिए हम बाजार खोल दें, हमारे द्वार खोल दें। उनके किसानों पे हजारों हेक्टर जमीन, वहां अलग सब्सिडी मिलती है, वो जीएम सीड्स का उपयोग करते हैं और हमारे छोटे किसान उनका मुकाबला कर पाते क्या? सोचा था कि हम डर जाएंगे, लेकिन आज का भारत है जो आत्मविश्वास के साथ भर के खड़ा हुआ है।
अभी हम ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि पक्का ये 25% एडिशनल होगा। हो सकता है ट्रम्प कहे जी मैं 3 महीने के लिए अभी सस्पेंड करता हूं, जैसे इसने चाइना के साथ किया हुआ है, पर उसके चांस कम लगते हैं। चांस लगता है कि ट्रम्प ट्रेड का जो 25 है उसके ऊपर ये 25 हम पे थोपेगा। अगर थोपेगा तो हमारी सरकार का रिस्पांस क्या होना चाहिए, आई थिंक ये बहुत अहम चर्चा होगी, क्योंकि मोरलेस हम में कैसे कह चुके हैं कि हम अमेरिका की जो धमकियां हैं उसके आगे हम अपना पोजीशन बदलेंगे नहीं।